Hi guys, as a part of my tech talk, I would like to discuss on the topic measuring customer retention for e-commerce portals. I am Thakur Karan Singh, currently studying IT fourth year. Why focus on customer retention? Service encounter failures, inconvenience, response to failed service, pricing, competition, ethical concerns, involuntary switching, other factors. Service companies in and keep good customers. It's important of customers without a loyal employee base. On average, US corporations lose half of their customers in 5 years. A typical company has a customer defection rate of 10 to 30% per year. Raising the customer retention rate by 5% can increase the value of an average customer by 25 to 100%. The key to customer satisfaction. Satisfied customers talk favorably about the organization, pay less attention to the competition, are less price sensitive, offer service ideas to the organization, cost less to serve than new customers. The cost of lost business for a hospital 15,000 patients annually, 3,750 defections, 25% defection rate, 75% retention rate, $2,500 average patient revenue, 9.375 million is equal to annual lost revenues, 703 70,325 is equal to lost profits, 7.5 profit margin percent profit margin. Customer retention tactics, image or promotion, community service, direct mail, educational offerings, integrated marketing communications, newsletters, regular customer contact, informational materials, website. Service quality, continuous quality initiatives, convenience, customer service training demonstrate that customers are highly valued. Mystery shopping, customer representatives, service failure training, smile, treat customers as family. Research, analyze defection rates or reasons, classify customers by usage or satisfaction or loyalty, develop targeted retention programs. Internal marketing, loyalty task force, prepare solutions to recurring problems, share appropriate customer data with staff, reward and publicize customer care person of the month. Customer center, dialogue marketing, customer bill of rights, customer care councils, understand customer expectations. Customer value or retention model. The CV or retention offers a good way of explaining the key relationships among the core elements that create value in an organization. Customer value is built through the proper mix of SQUIP, that is nothing but service, quality, image, and price, elements that attract and keep customers. If you observe the image, the customer value or retention model. Customer value is attraction, shareholder value, both are attracted, and the customer satisfaction depends on loyalty between the both shareholder value and the business performance also leads to the loyalty. The customer retention depends mainly on these parameters. Retention model, the key and the variable and the relationship to one another are clarified. This provides strategic guidance to management. Second, it stresses the long-term relationships but still realizes that some customer defection and attrition will occur, so customer attraction must remain a priority. Third, the model is interfunctional and systematic. It ties marketing objectives to the big picture, the financial situation. Feedback loops are also depicted in the customer value or retention model. Customer satisfaction, loyalty, and retention model. Here, highly satisfied, retain. Highly loyal, retain. Satisfied may retain or defect. Loyal may retain or defect. Dissatisfied directly to defect. Disloyal is also leads to defect. Customer loyalty framework, multiple loyalty, situational loyalty, limited loyalty, and no loyalty, some loyalty, and complete loyalty. These are the parameters of measurement the customer loyalty framework. According to CRM experts Jay Curry and Adam Curry, top 20% of the customer delivery 80% of the revenue. Existing customers contributes up to 90% of the revenue. Top 20% of the customer delivers more than 100% profits. The bulk of the marketing benefit is often spent on people other than customers. Between 5% and 30% of all customers have the potential for moving upward the loyalty ladder. 2% upward migration in the loyalty ladder means 10% more revenue and 50% more profits. Sequences in retention process: exploring, evaluating, establishing strategies, examining the feedback. Attrition, the negative signal to retention: increase in the number of complaints, decrease in the frequency of contacts, decrease in personal visits, decrease in inquiries, decrease in the volume of business, decrease in the number of active buyers, decrease in the extent of interaction, decrease in the flow of communication. Brand switching behavior: dissatisfaction with present brand, change in fashion, promises made by competitors, change in the perceived benefits, concern, pressure of salesperson. Realize that a one-time buyer is to move beyond the transaction stage. Organizational experiences must meet or exceed expectations. Repeated instances of high satisfaction are sought through the utilization of relationship market strategies, leading to greater customer loyalty. Classification of customer loyal segments: strangers, short term, low profit customers; butterflies, high profit potential but tend to be short term and disloyal; barnacles, stay around for the long time but generate relatively low profits; true friends, are both highly profitable and are long term customers. Classification of customer loyal segments: butterflies, good fit, high profit potential, transaction satisfaction, milk active accounts, sees investing; true friends, good fit, best profit potential, consistent communication. True friends, good fit, best professional profit potential, consistent communication, attitudinal and behavior loyalty, delight customers. Little fit, lowest profit potential, make investment, make transaction profit. Barnacles, barnacles, sorry, barnacles it is. Limited fit, low profit potential, measure size and share of wallet, low share up and cross sell, small wallet, strict cost control. Loyalty building strategies: send salespeople to work at the offices of your best customers, participate in customer events, hold a retreat with a major customer to share best practices, invite customers to participate in training seminars, set up a customer advisory council, reward customers for referring new business, develop 3 to 5 years business plan with customers, key account, usage analysis for user groups, first time users, heavy users, customer amount based on usage frequency and upgrade customers. Usage analysis tools: heavy, medium, light, former and non-users. Heavy versus non-users, competitive users, loyal versus non-loyal customers, product or service applications by user group, adopter categories, innovators, followers, laggards. Geographic comparisons: 4-tier user segmentation. Platinum tier, the company's most profitable customers. Gold tier, seek price discounts, less loyal and use multiple vendors. Iron tier, essential customers who provide the volume to utilize the firm's capacity but their spending levels, loyalty and merit special treatment. They demand more attention than they are due given their spending and profitability. Sometimes problem customers that complain and tie up resources. RFM analysis. RFM means recency, frequency, monetary. Recency refers to the last service encounter or transaction. Frequency assesses how often these customers' company experiences occur. Monetary values probes the amount that is spent. invested or committed by customers for the firm's offerings. Access a summary of each customer's RFM transaction history. This includes most recent purchase frequency or purchases and the monetary value spent per order. Sort customers by purchases dates in reverse chronology order. Divide the customer list into 5 equal segments. Tag the most recent customer quintal as 1 while the least recent purchases are quintal 5. Sort the customers by frequency. Sort your customers by monetary value. You now have created RFM scores for each of your customers. CR tactics are short in nature, while CR strategies creates lasting values for customers. CR efforts should begin once a firm wins a customer. These efforts should include learning as much as possible about customer needs, responding promptly to any indication of disinterest, making customers feel truly cared for, resolving complaints quickly and efficiently, be willing to negotiate with high value customers who show sign of inactivity, build a customer database information system, design ongoing customer programs, continuity and loyalty based initiatives, offer long term service, membership or subscription programs, custom promotion, use reminder advertising and press releases, focus on key accounts and heavy users, use newsletters or information materials to stay in touch with the infrequent customers, attend trade shows, research customer needs and wants, welcome suggestions and complaints. SWOT analysis. Strengths, weakness, opportunities, and threats information can be gathered from each strategic customer. 7 criteria for selecting CR approaches: efficiency, low cost, effectiveness, likelihood to succeed, adaptability, strategic fit with the organizational culture, consistency, works well with the current marketing plan, competitive advantage, ease of implementation, projected profitability. 5-step process for designing a customer retention program. Determine your current CR rate, analyze the defective problem, establish a new CR objective, invest in a targeted CR plan to enhance customer loyalty, evaluate the success of the CR program. Measuring the customer retention, annual and targeted customer retention rates, weighted customer retention rates accounts for usage differences, segmented retention indicators, subgroup analysis based on geographic, demographic, lifestyle, product references, etc. Share of customer lifetime value, recency, frequency, and monetary value. Thank you. This is all about the topic.